Okay, so I'm gonna, oh yeah. So let me get this one right there. Right there. Good.
Yeah, like sometimes you have you would just wrap like the rope inside.
Okay, let's line your back.
Yeah. So it stays like in this.
Yeah, feel that stuff right there? Right. Looks like a little road rash in there too, huh? There we go. Good, huh?